Day 4. Eating out and social situations. Hi everyone, and welcome! I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving right into eating out and social situations. Let's get started. Eating out and attending social events as a vegan doesn't have to be stressful. Today, we'll explore simple tips and strategies to stay true to your plant-based lifestyle while still enjoying meals and connecting with others. With a little preparation and a positive mindset, you can thrive in any dining situation. Eating out. Research beforehand. Many restaurants now offer vegan options or are willing to accommodate. Check the menu online before you go or call ahead to inquire about vegan-friendly dishes. Apps like Happy Cow or Yelp can help you find vegan-friendly spots nearby. Look for naturally vegan dishes. Keep an eye out for veggie stir-fries, hearty salads, soups, pasta with marinara, or grain bowls. You can also ask for simple swaps, like no cheese or butter on a dish. Customize your order. Don't be afraid to make requests. Most chefs are happy to adjust a dish to suit your needs. For example, you can ask for a veggie-loaded pizza without cheese or a burrito bowl with extra beans and guacamole. Know the cuisine. Certain cuisines are naturally more vegan-friendly. Indian, Thai, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern restaurants often have several plant-based options or dishes that can be easily veganized. Be prepared. If you're unsure about options, eat a small meal or snack beforehand to ensure you're not left hungry. Carry a small vegan snack like a granola bar or nuts just in case. Navigating social gatherings. Bring your own dish. Offer to bring a vegan dish to share. This not only ensures you'll have something to eat, but also introduces others to delicious plant-based foods. Bring a crowd pleaser like a hearty salad, dips with veggies, or vegan desserts. Communicate your needs. Let your host know about your dietary preferences ahead of time. Most people are happy to accommodate if they're aware in advance. Keep it positive. If asked about your vegan choices, keep your response light and upbeat. Share your enthusiasm for the lifestyle rather than focusing on negatives. This can spark curiosity and inspire others without feeling confrontational. Be a good guest. Show appreciation for the effort your host makes. Even if the options are limited, gratitude and a positive attitude go a long way in fostering understanding. Gracefully handle awkward questions. You might encounter people who are curious or even skeptical about your lifestyle. Stay calm, smile, and answer their questions with kindness. Remember, your actions often speak louder than words. Mindset tip. Social situations are about connection, not perfection. Focus on enjoying time with loved ones, and don't stress over limited options or awkward conversations. Remember, every small choice you make contributes to your personal journey and sets an example for others. With these tips, you'll feel confident dining out and navigating social events as a vegan. Practice these strategies, and soon they'll become second nature. Stay tuned for Day 5, Meal Prep Mastery. We'll dive into how to plan and prep like a pro for a stress-free vegan week. Before we wrap up, if you haven't already, I encourage you to go back and watch the videos for Day 1 and Day 2. They're a great foundation to build on.